It's a peacock. Wow, what a beautiful feathers they are. Parrot. Do you know parrots are very intelligent birds? It's a duck. What duck says? Quack, 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 quack. Yes, it's a crow. It's a rooster. Pigeon. They can recognize human faces. This is a sparrow. Eagle's eyesight is up to 8 times stronger than a human. A group of owls is called a parliament. They are flamingos. It's a hummingbird which can fly backward. A bat can hang upside down for as long as it likes. It's a swan. Woodpecker. It's pecking the wood to find insects to eat. It's an ostrich. As we see, ostriches have very small brain. They are doves. It's a quail. Crane. Cranes are tall birds with long legs. It's a vulture. Turkey. Turkey can change the color of their head.